How to make sugar syrup. Hello friends, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. This is Saurabh. As you know that cooking generally depends upon good, best quality ingredients and those small tips which are very essential while cooking. Let's learn some important tips which would help us cooking good food. In this series, I would show you some tips which are very simple but very essential. So let's first look into the ingredients. Grain sugar, milk. So these were the ingredients, and the tip that I'm going to display today is clarified sugar syrup. Nice clear sugar syrup, and the tip how to make it. So to start with, I would take some sugar in a deep heavy bottom pan. Over here I have taken a random quantity of sugar. You can always follow the quantity which is mentioned in your particular recipe. So over here I have taken sugar, and along with sugar, of course, we need to add some water in it. After adding water, I would switch on the gas. After switching on the gas, we would allow the water to boil in this. Now as you can see, the water has come to a boil and sugar has almost dissolved in water. And second and the most important thing is that you can see the sugar syrup, it's not clear as it is required in most of the recipes. It is a bit cloudy and a yellowish in color. So at this stage we would add an ingredient which would help us clear all the impurities in the sugar syrup and make it crystal clear. And that particular ingredient is milk. So let's add milk in this. After adding milk, we would stir all these things together nicely. One most important thing in this clarification process is the ratio of sugar to milk. Generally the ratio would be around 1 cup of sugar to 2 tablespoons of milk. Now after boiling this syrup for around 2 minutes or so, let's slow down the gas. Now as you can see, all the impurities have solidified and they have collected together over here. Now at this stage, we have to remove all these impurities with the help of a strainer, something like this. We need to collect all these impurities which have been solidified. As you can see, after removing the entire impurities from the sugar syrup, it is nice and crystal clear. The only thing which is left behind are the impurities on the side of this pan, as you can see over here, and we can get rid of that with the help of a muslin cloth which is slightly wet, a wet muslin cloth, and with the help of that we would clean it like this. And now as you can see the difference, the part which I have cleaned with a wet muslin cloth and the part which was not cleaned with a muslin cloth. So this is the difference. This is how you can clean the entire pan. This is how you can get a nice crystal clear sugar syrup. Now by following these procedures, you can get a nice crystal clear sugar syrup and you can have your recipe much more refined and much more nice looking. So these were some small and important tips which can give you a nice and clear sugar syrup. Remember, the quantity or the consistency of the sugar syrup would differ, but the method remains the same.